Hi everyone and welcome to the Lilac house. My name is Crystal. Today I am excited to share this video. It is a bathroom organized with me and everything I'm using comes from the Dollar Tree. I'm organizing 3 drawers and 2 cupboards. The first thing I always do is clear the space out. After clearing everything, I like to wipe it down. There was a lot of hair, and so my trick for this is to use a piece of tissue paper to pull up all of the hair. It will stick to it, and then wipe it down with a solution. I'm using these containers from the Dollar Tree. They come in different sizes. I chose the ones that are about 6 inches long. They fit the drawers perfectly with 2. The best thing about organizing is you remove stuff you no longer use. The first drawer is complete. And on to the second drawer. There were a lot of scrunchies and a random glow-in-the-dark star. Also put like things together. Find a place for the bobby pins, the hair elastics. Once again, wipe it out, get it all clean. I also want to mention that not everybody has these Pinterest, Instagram homes. We work with what we have. And the thing I love about using the Dollar Tree to organize is it's frugal, and it also just cleans up the space and it makes it feel more loved. Once again, I'm using these containers from the Dollar Tree too. Also, that hairbrush was broken, but hey, it fits in that spot. Put all of the elastics together. The bobby pins have a home. Give this video a thumbs up if your elastics and bobby pins need a home. And then this container is used for traveling a lot, so I like to put just extra hair things. And drawer number 2 is complete. On to drawer number 3. This drawer is not used as often. It's actually child protected. And so the things that go in it aren't needed every day. This time around I'm using similar containers. They're the white ones with the rubber bottom, but they are smaller. And 4 of them fit perfectly. One of my frugal living tips is to organize your home and organize it often. Go through things, because a lot of the time we're not aware of the things we actually own and we end up buying more. And if we actually knew what we had, we would save money. These little toothbrush heads fit perfectly. Drawer number 3 is complete. Okay, so I just wanted to show you really fast what I bought for my haul. I got some of these, they're called the cabinet shelves. I got 4 of these. I'm going to organize my kitchen soon too, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 4, but for sure I want to use 2 hopefully. And then I found these, and once again I'm going to do my kitchen too, so this, we'll see what I use. But these are the organization baskets. I got 4 of them, and then I got 4 little ones, and the little ones come with 2. And they're, I don't know, I'd probably say they're like 6 inches. So I got those, and then I got 2 of the shoe boxes that come with lids, and I got 4 of these baskets, and then I got 2 of the locker bin white baskets, and I got 3 of these big ones. I'm not sure what's going to work, so I might be going back to the Dollar Tree. I might say it's good. I'm a little nervous. To the first cupboard. So I'm working with a very small space, and this cupboard is mainly used for hair, tools, extra supplies, tampons, things that need access daily. Clear everything out. So I like to assess the places I'm going to organize before I go to the Dollar Tree. You could even measure. For instance, this was a small space, so I didn't know exactly what would work. I really liked this rectangle container because it fit 2 of the smaller containers inside of it to kind of add a separation, which I thought worked perfectly for tampons because you want to organize them in a way that it still looks nice, but keep things separated. And then the other bins were nice for extra bags and makeup bags. I love the risers from the Dollar Tree. In fact, the risers saved this video because they leveled up the shelves, so I was able to fit more. So I was able to fit something in the shoebox bin below, and then the riser, and then stuff up above. The risers really make the most of your space. And just like that, cupboard number 1 is complete. I am shocked that this cost $8. $8. I love the way it turned out. It's very clean, it's easy to organize, it's easy to see. So this was the cupboard I was most scared to do. It was kind of the cupboard that just had everything thrown into, and it had many uses. It's locked up, but it holds the cleaner, the plunger, the sponges, diaper genie things. We moved things out that didn't belong there. It was small under the sink, but a small space doesn't mean that it can't be beautiful. And beautiful doesn't mean things have to be expensive. You can make things beautiful within a budget, and I love that about Dollar Tree containers. So this was kind of a trial and error, but I found that the risers in the shoebox containers worked really well, along with the locker bins. I loved cleaning everything out and getting rid of stuff that wasn't needed or used. And then making sure that everything has a home. This way you can see that the diaper genies are out and you need to order more. Or you actually have a bunch and you don't have space for more. So don't buy them yet. And just like that, the bathroom is organized. I hope you found something motivational from this video, and I hope that you can find beauty in your space. Okay, open the drawers.
That's a lot nicer. Shaver there. Toothpastes. That looks a lot better. I can see everything. It's not jumbled. Good. Thank you. Much better. Yours is a lot better than even mine was. There's all their hair stuff. And the bottom one. Alright. I never even opened this one, honestly, because...
I know, it's kind of our stuff that we don't need all the time.
Good. Oh my life. This is nice just to pull out.
Your hair cutters have their own drawers.
Feminine products.
All my...
Scale to the side, all your hair straightening, curling stuff. That's nice. And then your to-go bags, makeup bags. Right. Now where we keep our cleaning stuff. Oh. That is a lot better. I like how you have the risers so you can like pull stuff up without having to take everything off, and then just everything's easy to grab right there.
That
so
freaking
much
cost
better.
$6 to make it that way. $6.
I love it. Thank you. That's beautiful.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure you come back to see more videos. I hope you know that you are awesome and you are loved. Bye.